Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Roblox account is signed in and you have permission to update on this machine. Close Roblox Studio and kill background Roblox processes so files can be replaced. This prevents corruption. Once done, make sure your internet is stable and your device is plugged in or has sufficient battery, because interruptions cause failures. Now open the Roblox Player or Studio Updater. It will detect the installed version and initialize the download automatically, preparing files for the next step. You'll see the updater fetch necessary patches. Allow it to download fully because partial files break Studio. If Windows prompts for administrator rights, grant them so the installer can write to program files and registry keys. Once downloads finish, the installer will extract and replace core files. Do not close the window or shut down your PC during this phase. If progress stalls, wait a few minutes. Small delays often indicate file verification rather than failure. Then proceed to relaunch Studio when the installer reports completion. You should open Roblox Studio and confirm the update by checking Help Then about Roblox Studio. This verifies the installed version. If Studio crashes or behaves oddly after updating, restart your computer, clear temporary cache files, and try launching again, because leftover processes often cause conflicts. If problems continue, uninstall Roblox completely and reinstall using the official installer to ensure clean files. One key troubleshooting tip: run the installer as administrator and temporarily disable antivirus.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.